If I was starting YouTube from the scratch in 2025, I would do a few things very differently. Looking back now and having learned so much in the hard way, there are 5 things I wish someone told me earlier. So if you're a beginner or thinking of starting your own channel this year, then I made this video just for you. Just in case you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Delakwo. You're welcome to my channel. I'm here to help new and aspiring content creators grow online by breaking down content strategies, AI tools, and digital skills in simple ways. Now, here is something you may not know. I actually started this channel by teaching how to make turbans and fascinators, but over the past 1 year, I switched into digital content creation, and it has really changed everything for me. Now, let's go straight to the 5 things I would do differently if I were to start a YouTube channel in 2025. Number 1, I would start with one clear and profitable niche. When I started creating content on YouTube in 2017, 2018, I actually went into turban and fascinator making and things like that. I enjoyed making them, but I later found out that the RPM, that is the revenue per mile, that's how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views in that niche, was very, very low. So this is what I would do now. I would start with a clear and profitable niche. That is something that I love doing, that I could learn quickly and understand well. Something that helps people and something that has a decent earning potential. Ideally, it should be a topic I can create about 30 to 50 videos around. This way, YouTube knows exactly what my channel is all about, and it helps the right audience find me faster. Now, number 2 thing I will do differently, I will plan my content 30 days ahead. Back then, I used to wake up and think, what video should I create today? And trust me, that's a stressful way to grow a channel. Now, I plan ahead. I create a 30-day content plan, not because I want to film all at once, but just for me to have an idea of what to film when it is time, so that I don't get stuck. Knowing your 4 weeks of content makes your life easier. It helps to stay consistent, and honestly, it will help you reduce burnout. My people, burnout is real. It should be avoided at all costs. Start with questions your audience are asking, especially in your past videos. If you are just starting and you don't have comments yet, now look at other channels in your niche, check their videos, especially their popular videos, check the comment section, and you see questions asked by their viewers. You can now create content around what these people are asking, then create videos that directly answer those questions. Now, when people search for those same topics, your video will show up, giving your channel more visibility and growth opportunities. Now, the number 3 thing I would do differently is to tell stories and not just teach. People don't just want tips, they want connections. So instead of saying how to use AI tools, you could just say how I saved hours using this tool as a beginner content creator. Now, when you show how it matters and share your experience, it is more relatable. Your audience will feel like you know about them very well, and they will keep coming back. The number 4 thing I will do differently is to use what I have. I won't wait until I have fancy equipment. When I started, I used what I had, just my phone. I was using an Infinix Note 2, then natural light and a small quiet space. But as time went on, I started feeling like I needed fancy gadgets, better lighting, and a perfect background before posting again. That mindset slowed me down. I was waiting for the perfect setup instead of just creating. Looking back, I realized that growth comes from consistency, value, and not perfection. You do not need expensive equipment to make valuable content. If your message is clear and helpful, people will watch. You can always start with whatever you have and upgrade later. Now, the 5th thing I will do differently is to build my community and not just views or subscribers. When I started, I used to check my views and subscriber count every single day, hoping that it will magically go up. But you know, it doesn't just work that way. Over time, I realized that building community numbers matters more than chasing numbers. The good thing is it's not new to me. I have done it before. I reply to comments, I give shout outs, and I ask my viewers what they would like to learn next. And I'll keep doing that if I were to start a new YouTube channel. When people feel seen and heard, they are more likely to stick to your comments and support your journey. Ask questions to your video, engage in your comments, and mention real people who take time to engage in your videos. So those are the 5 things I will do differently if I were to start YouTube in 2025. If you're just starting your own YouTube channel, or you are stuck, or you need someone to guide you or hold you by the hand and help you grow with clarity, you can reach out to me. We all know that this kind of support takes time and energy, so it's not free. But if you're ready to take your growth seriously, I'll be so glad to help. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful. If you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.